Hello, have you ever wondered if it is possible to earn automatically $2,400 using the DeFi, so the decentralized finance? I'm not going to tell you with words, I'm going to show you live. Right now I'm going to go at home, I'm going to log in my PC, you're going to see live how $2,400 they're coming in my wallet automatically without me any interaction with it, and then I'm gonna send it to this card, which is this card, which is a crypto bank, and then we come back here, okay, on this bank, on this ATM, and we're going to withdraw. Okay, see you soon.
Okay, hello, I'm back home. As you can see, this is my account. You have the equivalent of $10,000, and I'm gonna get $12,400, so 24% in just 28 days. So as you can see, I'm gonna show you now that the wallet that is linked to this contract. Of course, I have put this money on a smart contract. I didn't give this money to anyone. And as you can see, I'm going to show you my wallet that is linked to this contract. As you can see, it has $354. Okay, as you can just a slightly delay, we have 355 of there. So I have put 10,000 USDT. I'm going to show you how it works later on, and I'm going to get 12,400. So a profit of $2,400 in just 28 days. So I'm going to show you also that this contract, how long it's been working, and I'm going to show you where the profit come from. As you can see, the countdown in green, we have 42 seconds. This will happen all automatically, okay? So I don't touch anything. Then I'm going to show you that I'm going to send some funds to the card. I don't touch anything, and you will see that everything will come to my wallet. The liquidity that I put in the smart contract and the profit. So you'd have to be on front of your PC, you'd have to be on front of your wall or your telephone or your smartphone. Everything will happen on complete automatically, okay? So just watch my wallet. You have 6 seconds. My hands are not on the keyboards. Complete. As you can see, it says complete. Now the blockchain works and is going to work with all the wallet. They're going to deliver me 12,400 bucks in just few seconds. Okay, gonna have a look. You see, boom, 12,732 USDT. This is no magic. This is real DeFi, real financial. So this is my account of Virex, which is linked to the card that I showed you before. Now, before I'm going to show you how long it's been working and where the profit come from, we're going to send some funds directly, live in front of you. You see Tether there. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on send. And then I'm going to put the address of Virex. My address is going to write $500. Okay. I'm going to click on continue. And then I'm going to click on confirm. Just a second. You see it's pending. Let's wait just a few seconds. You see confirm. This is going really fast because this is decentralized wallet. Only you are in control. But it will take just 5 minutes to come to Virex. Now it's just logged out, but don't worry, okay? So right now, while I wait, and then I'm gonna go back to the bank, to the ATM. I'm gonna show you the withdrawal of the money. I'm gonna show you the contract. As you can see here, we have real millions. This is $34,155 in USDT. So I'm gonna click on it. When you click on it, this is an interface that is, mirroring the blockchain. So as you can see, this is the blockchain, and this is the contract on Bitnest. You can see the millions are there. Okay, so you cannot fake this, but the most important thing, you can see here, contract creator 2 years, 118 days. So that means that since 2 years and 4 months, this smart contract has been paying non-stop. You will not find no one in the world that hasn't been paid by this smart contract. So you can see the number of the contract. It starts with 0x92 and it ends with 3121. Okay, pay attention to this. Nobody's gonna show you those things. Okay, so this is PancakeSwap. This is a decentralized exchange. As you can see, the numbers are the same, exactly the same. You see 321 and then there is 0x92. So this is a pool and where everyone who needs to exchange USDT with USDC, USDT and USDC, they have the exact value of a dollar, and people they exchange one with another. So you don't have to worry about the volatility. You see, Bitcoin goes up, Ethereum goes down. They have the exact amount, but for very reasonable reason, people must change one for another because some smart contract work in USDT and some smart contract in USDC. So Bitnest, for example, work with USDT. All the people in the world that they want to do, a smart contract, they must come to this pool. As you can see, the pool is 33 million. Exactly the amount that we have, just a little bit less because they have other money working and making harder profit. Okay, so as you can see, where the money come from, I'm going to show you live. Nobody's going to show you this ever. So you can see all the people that are changing, there are some fees. Of course, there are some fees. There are some fees on the bridge and there are some fees on the slippage. I'm going to show here, you see 1K, 1K, 2K, 3K, you see, those are all the fees that are coming to our contract and they're paying us. Of course, like all the other smart contract, Bitnest also has a lease. And I have done a video that I show you that with the lease has a large, very large margin that can pay us very largely 24% in 28 days. Okay, so this is how much he pays. So if you put on the smart contract 1 day 0.4%, 7 days is 4%, 14 days is 9.5%, 28 days just I show you 24%, and this will happen automatically in your wallet. You can be on vacation with your family, your money will come in your wallet, okay, on autopilot. Okay, so and you'd have to stay on front of the PC or your phone. So this has been running out for, you see the card. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go back to the ITM and I'm going to show you how I withdraw some cash, because nobody show you, some people show you, screenshot, fake screenshot or whatever. I prefer to show you everything. Okay, let's put on pause. Sorry, I forgot. The money already arrived on my Varex account. I forgot to show you. Just you see here, $500. It just takes 5 minutes. Okay, less than the 5 minutes. I'm gonna go back now to show you on the ITM, and then I'm gonna tell you how you can start in the next 5 minutes. Okay, I see you. I'm gonna pause and I'm gonna see you then.
Okay, I'm back here in front of this ATM, so you have seen how it works. Now I'm going to withdraw. Here we are in France, I believe 500 euros, but with this card you can spend $20,000 a month. So I'm going to withdraw the money, then I come out and I'm going to tell you how you can start, where you see the information, how you can start to earn passively in the next 5 minutes, okay? Okay. Okay, as you can see, those are no monopoly money, to play monopoly. A guy who didn't have any experience in the crypto told me that the crypto is a monopoly money. This is a real money. So when you know the DeFi, when the DeFi is done well, it's much stronger, much powerful than the system of the bank. So if you want to start in the next 5 minutes, underneath on the description of this video, you will have many videos, my personal contact, which is Facebook and Telegram also, and you will have a playlist also, the presentation and the playlist entirely in English with all the tutorials, okay? So have a lovely